So let me start my day even. So today and tomorrow demo classes for Power BI. Today is the first demo, tomorrow is the second demo. In two demos, I plan two different content. First day I cover complete theory part where I explain from data to Power Platform hierarchy. Very important. And second day, I'm going to explain practical to explain how easily we can work in Power BI. These are demo sessions, not regular classes. So don't expect more practical in detail subject in the demo classes, practical components. But if you see the theory part or the detailed part, definitely better and more depth when compared to other people. That is an indication that how depth I'm going to cover even the regular classes. In the classes, I'm able to see the people with 0 to till 20 years experience. So I need to compensate everyone. This is not the class for only the people who already followed YouTube videos or learned from somewhere. So first day, second day. So both the days I'm going to give you wonderful content. Have patience, attend till end. Later you take your own decision. I don't consider this is as a demo part. These are basic fundamentals which I'm not going to cover in the regular classes. Who are joining, I'm not going to cover again. And my name is Vinay, and I'll give you my contact number. And I'm working as a BA lead consultant. So the current training duration 50 to 60 hours and daily time 1 hour, Monday to Friday classes, Saturday depending on your interest. So training required 50 to 60 mandatory hours. Yes. So you cannot learn a subject in 15 hours or 20 hours. If it is possible, everyone will enter into IT only. How come a BA tool, how come a highly remunerated component in the market, people can learn in 15, 20 days? If someone says you can learn Power BI in 15 days, 4 hours, 10 hours, 8 hours, that is fake and don't believe it. It is not possible. In India, most sought after jobs after civil services is IT only. Highest remuneration jobs are IT. So it's not that much easy to get into IT. I mean, if you learn properly in detail, what are the subject you have, or what are the subject the component having, then you can survive properly. Entering into IT is very easy if you learn properly. Not by learning basics or 5 to 10 hours or 20 hours. Next. I'm going to cover in the next 60 hours environment knowledge components. You are entering into data warehousing and BA industry. So data warehousing fundamental required, data modeling fundamental also required. In real time, you work with Agile lifecycle methodologies that I will give you some understanding. Even GitHub versioning, I will give you some understanding. To explain the flow in the real time, two near real time projects I will cover in the classes and multiple case studies as well. And you may work with databases in the real time. So I'm going to give you SQL language knowledge for 3 to 4 hours. That is not sufficient for interviews. And the 3 to 4 hours, I'm going to use how do we connect database from Power BI, what all we can bring from database to Power BI, and what type of operations in the combination we can do to explain that. So it's impossible to cover in 3-4 hours SQL complete subject. Once again, I'm telling, no need to ask me again. You need to learn from a good trainer, SQL for 35 days or 40 days. But there are 9 topics which are very important. I will tell you all the 9 topics. If you learn those topics along with Power BI, sufficient. Learn overview by spending 30 days or 40 days. Let her give priority for 9 topics. Those are sufficient. And I will conduct resume preparation sessions, FAQs, and mock interviews also I will conduct. These are all project and environment related content. Coming to Power BI, very depth content. Cloud components I will cover. Power BI available as cloud. Cloud components are different, like Power BI desktop, Power BI service. And on-premises components are different. Report server desktop, report builder, and report server. And 2 additional components I'm going to give you from Power Platform, Power Apps and Power Automate. These 2 I'm going to give you 4 hours. And this on-premises server I'm going to cover for 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours. Rest all Power BI. So this is what I'm going to cover in the next 50 to 60 hours. So with this knowledge, you can appear for interviews. You can work betterly in the real time. In case anyone planning to appear PL 300 exam, this is Microsoft certification exam for Power BI. That exam also 70 to 80% you can complete. You can write 70 to 80% after this course, no doubt in that. Because I'm going to give you depth of subject. Sir, what about remaining 20? From the manuals, you need to learn the remaining 20. So some additional theory also required for certification that you will get it from the manuals. Sir, only a subject or any materials? I'll give you very good theory and practical material. Daily live class videos systematically you will get. And you will get the update in the WhatsApp level. Once the video uploaded, you will get a message, video uploaded. The training is fully practical only training. And you will be having interaction with me during the classes. Even after completing your course, no restriction for interaction. And I have student base for the last 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. Since the beginning, I'm having students and their communication. And resume preparation, I will help you. FAQ is also we're going to discuss. So you will get theory, practical material, live class video. What else required? Even you're absent for 3-4 days, no need to panic. Or you forgot the subject, again you want to recap. Yes, available. But the video is available for 1.5 years. That is sufficient, I believe. Videos access you will get till 1.5 years. And after completing the course, you can appear for these these roles in the market. You can try for these roles in the market. That too by keeping Power BI less than 5 years. Don't keep more than 5 years in Power BI. It's impossible. Relevant to Power BI. By learning, you cannot claim I'm having more than 5 years in Power BI. Impossible. 3 years, okay. 4 years, somewhat. If someone says, I will give you a training where you are suitable for 5 to 6 years, impossible. 1-2 projects, end-to-end experience, knowledge, compulsory required to try for those opportunities, because modeling, designing, specialization, architecting, these level people will expect if you keep more than 5 years in Power BI. For the last 5 years working with Power BI, what does it mean? You're master in Power BI. But this course confidently give you support for Power BI developer if you want to try, Power BI support resource you want to try, or admin resource you want to try. Coming to combination, these are exclusive Power BI opportunities. My course is suitable because I plan the content accordingly. with admin responsibilities, support responsibilities, developer responsibilities. I plan the content. Hoping you all have seen our course content, which is in the green color. Right, you are already in MSB resource. Learn Power BI, go in the combination. And some companies, Tableau or ClickView to Power BI, they are migrating, they are recruiting this. Some more companies, Azure ADF, Data Lake plus Power BI. Some companies, Synapse Databricks plus Power BI. It's different companies, different opportunities. For this, more than enough, our course knowledge. This is combination. And exclusively, you can try this. So these are the opportunities you can try less than 5 years in Power BI. Total IT experience, maybe 10 years, 15 years, but relevant to Power BI, you can keep below 5. That's what I mean. Okay, good. Then how do we share the videos? So for each batch,
I have a doubt.
give me 2 minutes, madam. I will open for your queries. For each batch, we'll create a folder in the drive. Take 7 p.m. batch, 7 p.m. March batch. So this is a folder, videos folder. Everyday video uploaded here. 30th holiday, so 29th. So what I covered? Views, functions, procedures, and uses in Power BI Desktop, import direct query. On 27th, SQL Server coding practice. 26th, database SQL Server SSMS practice. So this is a way with content day, you will find the video. Right. Next, concluding. This is my contact number. Call timings 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. My objective or course training objective. Current training objective. Job oriented. Real-time working perspective. And in case you are preparing for PL 300 certification, PL 300 certification support. What we provide. High level. As I told you, materials plus videos, WhatsApp communication, and Power BI accounts for practice. You require account for practice, Power BI accounts for practice. Till 1 year. Till 1 year we'll provide you. What is covered? A. Environment knowledge. Data warehousing, data model fundamentals, Agile brief understanding, GitHub brief understanding. So what are those? You will come to know later. For the timing, listen to it. SQL language, 3 to 4 hours. But this is not sufficient. I told you, You need to learn separately, either in our institute or outside, your wish. Where do you want to learn? Next one, Power BI components. I will cover a cloud component. I will cover on-premise component and Power Apps, Power Automate, Report Builder. These are the components I'm going to cover. Brief. Now, I'm going to start my first demo content, which is very important. Data to Power Platform content. Data to Power Platform evolution. So before I start this, I'm opening for your questions. Kindly ask your questions. Right. So this is the next part. I'm going to cover data to Power Platform evolution. Very, very important. So how many types of data we have in the market? What type of IT applications available in the market? How they use the data? And what is BA application? And how many types of BA applications available in the market? And what is a BA evolution? And Power BI comes under which BA? And what is Power Platform? What is Power Platform and what are the components we have? This beginning to ending, I'm going to cover. Very interesting part. Kindly listen to it. Now, first, I'm starting with the data, the very basic part. Anything you're able to store is called data. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are working with three types of data. First one, structured data, table formatted data, Excel formatted data, like this column by column data is called structured data. It's fully structured. Second one, semi-structured, JSON, JavaScript object notation, XML, extensible markup language. These files contain semi-structured data, not fully structured. Example is this. See 1, John, 18, BSc, something is available. This is called metadata, and this is called data. So this kind of mix is called semi-structured. So here fully structured, here we have partially structured. And when we type email, do we follow any rules? We don't follow. So when you're typing message in the WhatsApp, are we following any rules? No, unstructured. Your emails, your WhatsApp, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Word document, PDF document, those all come under unstructured. In the current IT industry, we have three types of data. And the data available in two ways. One is file formatted data. Second one, database formatted data. File and database. And the data stored in two areas nowadays. One, on premises, within the organization, within the device, within the server. Second one, cloud, somebody else storage. Even we guys, in our mobile level, our images, videos, everything we are keeping. At the end of the day, end of the week, end of the month, we are moving to cloud, Samsung cloud, Apple cloud, Google cloud, different clouds. So companies maintaining this data and this processing in the on-premises level or cloud level. This part is clear. So three types of data, two types of information, two types of storage. Now come to IT applications. There are different IT applications. Even you heard about SAP, .NET, Java, Python, PHP, some ERP, some CRM, different applications. But majorly IT applications fall under two categories. Remember everyone. First category, business running applications, major IT applications. Second category, business analysis applications. And you guys attending a demo where the component comes under business analysis. It will not participate in business running, it will participate in business analysis. So what is the difference? Business running applications, take Book My Show, bookmyshow.com, irctc.co.in. Those are all business running applications. So general public via web or by going to counters, by using mobile apps, they will interact with the forms and book the tickets. Book the tickets. At the end of their booking, they will get a message: transaction is successful or transaction is failed. So business running applications are called transactional applications. Technically OLTP, online transactional processing. Online transactional processing. So knowingly or unknowingly, daily we are working with OLTP applications. IT terminology OLTP, normal or running terminology business application. And the information also stored like this: PNR number, amount, number of passengers, starting date, ending date, train number, etc. After your booking. So the storage area is called transaction storage area. Single line, I'm concluding. Business applications technically called as transactional applications. General public use it and they perform operations via web or desktop or mobile using forms. Finally, the data is transactional data. In case this data management team want to analyze, possible, we require analysis applications. And this is the live data you want to analyze, so we call it as online analytical processing. Example, IRCTC analysis information. IRCTC analytical information. Always IRCTC management want to see the trains having highest book of seats, the trains having highest demand, the areas having highest demand, the areas not having any demand, Tatkal versus normal tickets booking today, etc. So from this information to be derived. Management team never bother about your individual record. Always management team want to see this kind of information. Trains having highest booking, trains not having any booking, areas having highest demand, Tatkal versus normal tickets booking, etc. This is called analytical data. Some people say business intelligence data. Some people say decision-making data. And the process which you follow to convert this normal data to BI data, this is business intelligence data, is called BI process. And when you talk about analysis, you can say OLAP process. There is a process. We cannot convert directly the normal data into analytical format. We follow some process. Take small example. You're running a small store in your hometown, a departmental store in your hometown. You want to analyze weekly, monthly, quarterly. How do you analyze? Definitely daily data, you will gather it. And you will mention, this is the day, this is the spending, and this is the rendered amount. You will keep all and place in the alamara or rack or bureau. Even second day, third day, fourth day, like this, you will keep it. After that, you follow a process, and finally, you will get analytical data. The same thing here also. Transactional data never used for management analysis. We follow a business intelligence process because intelligence data you're delivering. From this intelligence data you're delivering, so this is called BI. We follow a BI process or analytical process and generate reports or dashboards. And the reports or dashboards displayed via web, via desktop, via mobile. So management team uses the same platforms to analyze the data. You can see this. So general public use forms and management team uses reports and dashboards. But how come your normal data converted to BA data using a BA process? Now coming to the conclusion, in IT industry, there are two major applications. One is transactional, second one analytical. And you all guys attending a demo which comes under this analytical processing. So you guys will implement this BA process and generate reports and dashboards. Got clarity? Good. Next, standard BA process. Before standard BA, look at this screenshot. What is BA? A business intelligence. Intelligence to the business. Decision making to the business. Analysis of the business. True. In the business intelligence level, business analysis level, we present information by using visual or insight. What is visual? Visual will display data in graphical format. Then what is insight? Accurate and deep understanding of visual data is called insight. So business intelligence level frequently use the terminology insight and visual. Do not confuse. Visual, which will display data graphically. Insight talks about deep and accurate information. So this is the terminology we use. So input and output of BA. Input is any data, any type of data, anywhere data. Output is report or dashboard. So take any BA application in the market, they work with data and they produce a report or dashboard. Sir, what is report? What is dashboard? What are the differences we have? High level, I will tell you now. Low level in the regular class. So high level, a report contains detailed understanding of data. Detailed understanding. And that is for a specific operation. Specific operation. Organizations contain hundreds of reports. And it looks like this. Detailed data, a specific operation data. An organization contains multiple reports like this. Whereas dashboard, high level data understanding, not low level. And dashboard always for a subject area data, which means set of operations data will place. And companies do not maintain hundreds of dashboards. Dashboards always limited. So after learning Power BA or any BA tool, you create more and more reports and limited dashboards for an organization. Got clarity? Good. Fine. Sir, how come this input data converted into a report or dashboard? I told you we have a process. That process I'm going to explain, focus on this. Same diagram. I'm going to explain more than 10 times. First demo, second demo, regular class 1, regular class 2. Today it looks panic. Something trainer is explaining. Tomorrow, easy for you. Day after tomorrow, you will say, sir, we are feeling bored. Don't worry. The content which I'm explaining, daily I'm going to cover in the regular classes. So you feel very bored after 2 or 3 days. First day it looks something. What trend is explaining, what is this OLTP, what is this OLAP. But you're entering into IT, you're entering into this environment. So you're supposed to know all. First day, how come you digest complete knowledge? If you're already into IT, probably there is a chance to understand. If you're new to IT, 1 or 2 times you need to watch the video. First 2-3 days. Later it will be cakewalk for you, no doubt. 1-2 రోజులు కొంచెం మనం చూసుకుంటే తర్వాత ఈజీగా అర్థమైపోతుంది. ఆ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ అలవాటు అవ్వాలిగా. రైట్. Come to BA process. Very important. General public, they use web or mobile or desktop platforms, perform business operations. The operations stored in an area, that is transactional area. Now, management team, web, mobile, desktop applications, they use it, and they analyze BA data, business intelligence data. But how come this normal data converted into BA data? There is a process, that is standard BA process. See, there's a box available. So this box process happens between input to output of BA. Since 90, this process is available. Since 90, according to the process, this data stored by using ETL process into huge storage area. So this is the first layer, layer 1, ETL, extract, transform, load, where we need to bring the data, perform required operations, finally load into huge storage. This is what I told you. You have a departmental store. Daily you will collect your money. You will keep in alamara or bureau or rack. That is a warehouse. So daily extract the data, do some transformations and load into huge storage. Second layer. Once the huge storage area is ready, because here years and years data will keep. Historical data we will keep. Incremental data we will keep. So once the huge warehouse is ready with historical data, incremental data, years and years data, we take required data from this. That is specific subject area data we will take. And then we add aggregate information, analytical information. That is third layer. Once this is completed, data presentation take place. Reports, dashboards, etc. generated. Fourth layer. So scientists strongly recommended these 4 layers to construct a business intelligence system. First layer, gather the data. This is data gathering layer. Layer 1, data gathering. Layer 2, data storage. Layer 3, specific data storage. Layer 4, presentation. So if any company wants a BA system, analytical system, they need to use these 4 layers, no doubt in that. Even you join in a company, these 4 layers you follow. So since 90, there are many tools available, but the problem is Informatica, DataStage, Ab initio, these kind of ETL tools only in this area support. Teradata, Oracle, DB2, these kind of warehouses only in this area support. Hyperion, Space, HANA in this area. BO, Cognos, MicroStrategy in this area. So if a company wants to implement this BA process to generate a BA system, compulsory they need to have multiple tools, multiple installations, multiple resources, multiple setups. So one organization identified, why don't we optimize this process? That result is MSBA announcement. So Microsoft proudly announced, we are giving a business intelligence to the market, and the title is MSBA. Strongly, proudly announced. If you look at these components, nowhere BA available. Are you able to see BA anywhere? But they confidently given, because end-to-end supportive suite is released. Suite. Some people say stack. MSBA suite, MSBA stack, which is having multiple tools. The suite having multiple tools. First tool, integration services tool, SSIS. Second tool, analysis services tool, SSAS. Third tool, SQL Server Reporting Services, RS. Total 6 tools available, but majorly 3 tools: integration services, analysis services, reporting services. They are part of MSBA suite. So the first tool, SSIS, provides support ETL level. Second tool, support in this area. Third tool, support in this area. End to end. That's why people call MSBA as self-service BA suite. What do people call? Suite, which has tools. Got clarity? It got market leadership as well, MSBA. So I will explain for a few more minutes about MSBA, and then we go to Power BI, Azure BA. Good. Now I will go to MSBA history. One more question you can ask me. So do I need to learn about MSBA? No need to learn about MSBA. In case you want to try in the combination, learn, otherwise not required. But when MSBA available with Microsoft, why Power BI? That you need to know. No company will give you multiple BA tools unless there are some drawbacks. What are those? You are supposed to know. Compulsory, mandatory. So MSBA from 2005 available. It has versions. Listen to it. 5 is the first version, next version 8, next version 8R2, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22. These are versions. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a change in the version. So MSBA latest features, latest thing you want to see, check, always you need to wait for 2 to 3 years. But no problem. Released in 2005, but 2008, there was a magic. It brought leadership. MSBA brought leadership in analytics and BI. Since 15 years, now 16 years, Microsoft is the leader in analytics and BI. No competitor for Microsoft. If you're really expecting a good career in business intelligence, you can start with Microsoft. Sir, how do we believe that it is having a leadership? I'll show you some links. Have patience and look into this. This will give you some confidence. See 2022 link. Microsoft named a leader in 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BA platforms. Gartner is one organization who rate IT applications and tools. Not only BA, even SAP applications and many applications. They said Microsoft is a leader. And not only that, if you read this point, today we are announcing that 15th consecutive year Microsoft has been positioned as a leader in 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BA platforms. 15th consecutive year. Microsoft is a leader. How come, sir? MSBA brought the leadership, Power BI continuing it. Even Azure BA also joined to continue the market. So leader, you can see a diagram here. Analytics and BA platform components. Microsoft is a leader. Salesforce Tableau leader. ClickView leader. These are all normal and these are all challenges. So the number one analytical component in the market is Power BI or Microsoft BA. Later, Tableau, and then ClickView. Not only Gartner, even if you go to Forrester Wave, they also said the same thing. And I have little old link. I will show you the link. Are you okay with this? Convinced? Okay. I will go to the next one. This is 2021 link. But 2022, the jobs changed. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. In 2021, the market 36%. Out of 100 BA projects, 36 projects in Power BI. 2022, 42% is projects. Not a normal number. 100 projects, if you take 42 projects in Microsoft Power BI. See this. This is 21, 36. Tableau that time 20% market share, but it was increased to 42. This decreased to 16% Tableau. 22. I missed the link actually, but I know the statistics. I'll be sharing both the links in your email ID. Kindly open and see the power of Microsoft in analytics and BI. Very important because you're going to establish a career. In case you run behind leader, you may catch a good opportunity. If you run behind unpopulated tool, definitely you may not. All right, so I explained how Microsoft got the leadership and what is the position. From 2008, it is a leader. Now one question, sir, if MSBA brought leadership, then what is the need of Power BI? Am I right? Now that point I'm going to explain focus. Why was Power BI created when MSBA already exists? MSBA architecture is the first issue. They designed an architecture based on the market before 2004. In IT, after 2004, there's a great change. Not normal. Facebook in 2004 released. Even Google Analytics and many more applications after 2004. Cloud available in the market since 2006 and 7. Cloud and apps, we are using apps for the last 5-6 years, but apps are available since 2010. Mobile apps, tab apps since 2010. So after 2004, there's a drastic change in IT, but MSB architecture is designed before 2004 market, and that too more into on-premises. MSBA components you need to install in your company servers and you have to use it. Cloud connectivity not available. And architecture is before 2004. So limited sources connectivity. No mobile and tab friendly. And you need average coding to write it. Average coding is required. And self-service BA suite to perform operations. It is having SSIS, SSAS, SSRS, and multiple tools. And MSB having some visualization, but they're not good when it comes to dynamic market of IT. Current dynamic market, the visuals, whatever MSB are having, not supportive. And MSB reports not easily added to Facebook, Twitter, etc. That feature comes under embedding. Embedding meaning placing one object information in another object. So MSB reports, in case you want to place in Facebook, Twitter, etc., not possible. So Microsoft decided, even many people question Microsoft, why don't you improve your capability? Why don't you improve your capability? That result is adding more power to the existing BI, and the title is Power BI. Adding more power to the existing BI. So whatever MSBA level you have, those you will find, plus additional features also you'll find. Now coming to Power BI full support to cloud and on-premises, mobile and tab friendly. All types of data it will provide support. And Power BI reports easily you can place in Facebook, Twitter, etc. applications. And Power BI having wonderful visuals and highly suitable visuals for the current market. And continuously Power BI monitoring the market. That's the reason in Power BI level, we don't have version culture. Monthly update we have. What we have? Monthly update. So 2013 July Power BI announced. From there, every month we have an update. It's not a normal task. MSBA level, every 2 to 3 years, one update. But here, every month update. So Microsoft maintaining a rich set of scientists. They continuously track the market and adding the changes immediately. Monthly update. So whatever the cutting edge technologies available in the current IT, all support even Power BI. And on top of it, two beautiful additional points I will tell you. First one, unlike MSBA, we don't require multiple tools. In Power BI level, single application sufficient, self-service application with multiple concepts. Single application sufficient to perform end-to-end operations and generate reports and dashboards. So I'm writing here, MSBA is self-service BA suite to perform or to create self-service BA suite with multiple tools to generate reports and dashboards. Whereas Power BI is a self-service BA application, single application with multiple concepts to generate reports and dashboards. Got the difference? Everyone clear? And this monthly updates and all additional features, cloud support and all. And one more, MSBA level average coding is required. Power BI level low code we use. Code is less. That is why some people say like this, Power BI is a low code self-service BI application. Low code is less. MSBA level at least average coding is required. Power BI level not required. Many graphical features, graphical support. I will go back to the previous picture and show you. Power BI, MSBA. This is self-service BI suite. Power BI, self-service BI application, single application. So this is having tools and this is having concepts. What are the concepts? So Power Query is one concept which participate here. Power Pivot is one concept which will participate here. Power View and Map are another concept which will participate here. So these are the concepts available in the Power BI to perform end-to-end process. Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Map. Got clarity? Right. I will show you the history of Power BI. Guys, this is a link I open. Gartner link. See from here. So the same link, you also open it and see one side the advantage of Power BI, another side history. July 2013 onwards, every month we have an update. Every month we have an update. Till which month? May 2023. So this is what monthly updates. Got clarity? Excellent. Sir, what is Azure BA then? So MSBA okay, Power BA okay. What is Azure BA? Azure is a cloud platform, remember. Cloud platform. And it supports storage, cloud storage. Similar to our Windows machine, it supports storage, software installations, platform maintenance, many operations in the cloud level we can do. Instead of doing in your machine level, if you want to connect and do in the cloud level, you can do it. And if you perform BA operations in the cloud, Azure cloud, business intelligence operations, then it is called Azure BA. So Azure cloud level, if you do the BA operations, then it is Azure BA. MSBA, we have a software. We can install it and get the tools. Power BA, we have a software. We can install and get the tool. Azure BA software not available. It's a logical word. Azure level, if you do some operations, BA operations, then it is called Azure BA. Sir, what are the BA operations we can do? Tell me some of the tools. Take one example, Azure Data Factory. This is one tool where we use in this area. But cloud operation. SSIS from Microsoft is on premises, and ADF from Microsoft. This is also from Microsoft. Azure BA from Microsoft only. So ADF is a cloud ETL of Microsoft. Azure Analysis Services is cloud analysis of Microsoft. SSAS is on premises. Azure Analysis Services cloud. So ADF, Azure Data Factory, Azure Analysis Services, Synapse, Snowflake, these kind of components, if you are using, then we call it as Azure BA. What do we call it? Azure. Sir, what about reporting? Nothing you mentioned, nothing you covered here. Azure cloud level, no reporting available. No reporting available. Azure cloud level. Again, they need to go back to a Power BI or SSRS. But many companies preferring Power BI along with Azure. So Azure level, you can keep the data. Azure level, you can perform ETL process. Azure level, you can perform analytical process. But reporting not possible. Again, you need to go to other tools. So people, they are going for Power BI. That's the reason you find market Azure plus Power BI also similar to MSBA plus Power BI. Getting clarity? I will describe this point very in detail in the regular class. Don't worry. For the time being, the differences I will conclude once again, and then we will go for next part. MSBA, a self-service BA suite with set of tools to perform end-to-end operations and generate a report or dashboards. Power BA, a self-service, a low-code and self-service BA application with multiple concepts. Remaining part is common. Azure BA. If we perform BA operations in Azure cloud, then it is Azure BA. So MSBA, physically available, physical software, and Power BA, physical software available. Azure BA, no. The word Azure BA is logical, not physical. Got clarity? cut. With the given support of Power BI, Power BI low code, Microsoft decided, why don't we release few more low code components? That result is Power Platform. So Microsoft Power Platform is a low code platform. So Microsoft Power Platform, a low code platform with 5 components. Power BI joined in that. So 2013 to till 2019, Power BI alone. And 2019 after, it is as part of Power Platform. So till 19 it is alone, but after 19 it is part of Power Platform. So Power BI, it's a low code application to generate reports, dashboards, and Power Apps, a low code application to create mobile tab friendly apps. Power Automate, it's a low code application to perform robotic process automation. Virtual Agent, low code application to generate chatbots. So first one, you know that generating reports and dashboards. Second one, you know that mobile app and tab app generation. Third one is automate a process, but with low code. Next, chatbots. When you open a website, when you open an app in the mobile level, right hand side, you will find a message. How may I assist you? That is a chatbot. Those chatbots you want to create very easily, a virtual agent is suitable. What is suitable? Virtual agent. Low code, even you guys can create your own chatbots. Next one, Power Pages. It's a low code application to create web pages and websites. Many people, they want to create websites easily. Then this concept is helpful, Power Pages. So these are the 5 components available under Power Platform, and it is also booming. It is also Cloud9. I'm going to cover Power Apps and Power Automate, this combination 4 hours. These are all low code components. Now, come to the conclusion. So data to Power Platform hierarchy clearly explain how many types of data available in the market, how many types of IT applications available in the market, what do you mean by analytical process, what is BE application and legacy BE applications issues, middle age BE application issues like MSBI and all, and modern BE advantages, self-service BA, Power BA kind of components. Then what is Power BI? When MSB available, why Power BI Microsoft announced and released? What are the features it is having? And what got Microsoft to release Power Platform? The low code approach of Power BI, Microsoft inspired and thought of releasing similar components. So that is Power Platform components. This is the history, evolution from data to Power Platform. Now, what is the next part? The next part is how Power BI self-service BI application generating reports and dashboards with low code. This I want to explain practically. So we will see tomorrow. We learned about data to Power Platform. Now Power BI, we need to see how come the low code is easily helpful to generate reports and dashboards. Right, coming to the conclusion, and as I said, the training is for job-oriented people, real-time working perspective suitable, PL 300 certification purpose. We provide materials, videos, daily video, and we'll be having better communication, the WhatsApp, even Power BI accounts I will give you for practice. Environment knowledge I will provide you. SQL language knowledge I will provide you. Power BI cloud will provide you. On-premises also provide you. Content is very rich content. Next, first demo is this, and one more thing, prerequisite. Any graduate can learn. Next, having knowledge on Excel or SQL is added advantage, not compulsory. During or after sessions, you can learn. I'm going to explain also. So there's a prerequisite. No qualification here. Any graduate can learn Power BI. Today's content is this. This is first day. This is second day. Second day content we'll see tomorrow. First day I given complete evaluation. I maintain little speed in the demo. Kindly cooperate as you will get the video. In case you did not understand, you can watch it again. The respective point. If I don't maintain like this, I cannot cover subject properly. You will get the material, you will get the video. What else required? If you want to recap, you can compensate. Right. Who all joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. And if anyone wants to talk to me regarding their personal profile, kindly call me on this number. Don't disclose here. These are my call timings. You can call me any day. Any day. So don't worry, I will give you in detail subject with proper material and videos. What all you need is good patience. Patience to attend all the sessions and practicing. From your side, your support only required. From my side, I will give you in detail subject, no doubt. I can say confidently. That's all, guys. I'm stopping now.